Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy, welcome. How are you doing today? I hope you're having an amazing day today, and today we gonna discover what I have inside of this mystery box. Well, actually it's not a mystery box, but this is a mystery to me. I know I've been MIA for the past few weeks, apologies, I've missed you guys so much, but honestly, those past few weeks were rough. Like, I don't want to make any excuses, but it was rough, including Miss Corona coming to my family uninvited, and that bitch don't want to go away. So I hope you understand that I was not in the mood to sit in front of the camera with a big smile and pretend like everything is amazing, because it wasn't, and it still isn't. But this box is so amazing that I thought I just need to share with you before it's gonna sell out. So I'm gonna go through all the products, and by the way, this is the Selfridges Beauty Collection. The whole box is £100, and I got this when I saw the first product, which is Dr. Barbaras Serum, which retails for £175. So even for that serum, it's worth getting the whole box. Of course, you know how the unboxing goes. Like, I'm gonna go through every single product, and at the end we're gonna sum up the value of this box. It comes in the Selfridges yellow box, and we have Selfridges bag if you need to store. Actually, you can even store your shoes in it. All of the beauty products come in this black wash bag. It's from Rains, and it retails for £25. So I've unzipped the bag, and the first product that I see is the Dr. Barbaras Sturm serum that I was talking about, and this is the calming serum, 30 ml, and it retails for £175. So bam, it's already worth it. Let's see what else we got in the bag. Is Lano Golden Dry Skin Slave All Over. This is a super hydrating balm with medical grade lanolin. I'm just gonna double check this, sorry. I was right, it contains medical grade lanolin and is super hydrating for your face. And this little guy retails £12. The next we have Lom, and this is Rescue Mask, 25 ml, and it retails for £15. Honestly, I enjoy this brand so much, especially the makeup removing balm and the muslin cloth that they have. So I'm happy to try this. We have some makeup. This is Kevyn Aucoin The Volume Mascara, and it retails for £22. Again, this is a full size product. I like this small brush. It's gonna be easier to get those low lashes as well. So far, we don't have any product that I would be disappointed. This is another product that I'm addicted to. This is a deep sleep pillow spray by This Works, and this is small version that has 10 ml, and honestly this is the best thing to help you fall asleep. Another of my favorites, this is Inkili's Hyaluronic Acid. I've made a separate video dedicated just to this brand, and honestly we all need some extra hydration, and I'm happy I got this because mine ran out. And the retail price for this is £6, I believe. We have Phillip Kingsley Weightless Conditioner. Okay, so this looks like a free sample size. It's there, well, if you travel it's gonna be handy, but I'm not near obsessed. And next we have Peter Root Thomas Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser. It's 30 ml, so it's not bad, and this is a nice product to clean your face, remove your makeup, any impurities, and it's infused with hyaluronic acid, so I'm gonna give it a go. Hello! Probably I'm gonna pronounce this name incorrectly. It's Oskia London, and it's Eye Wonder Reactive Eye Serum, and this is a full size. It retails for £52. Oh my god, love that. This, and it gives us over £200 already. Obsessed. Okay, what else we have? Oh my god, it's so tiny! Oh, this is cute. This is Frank Body Original Face Scrub. And what can I say about this? This is a face scrub. So it's gonna remove that skin cells. It's gonna leave your skin more glowy, more healthy, more even. And this little guy retails for £5, and it said here that you have 8 or more uses, so I guess for my fat face it's gonna be more like 3 or 4. In this case, I'm not mad that this is a smaller size because I don't do full face scrubs that often. Paula's Choice! Oh my god, this is another full size and super hyped product. This is the 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It has salicylic acid, it unclogs and shrinks your pores, smooths and even the skin tone, and it's lightweight. Everyone is raving about this, so we're gonna give it a go. And this is a full size and it retails for £28. Recently my guilty pleasure is to watch unboxing of advent calendars, and some of them are quite expensive, more expensive than this beauty collection from Selfridges, and I feel like we are getting way better products than in those advent calendars, so I'm happy. Next product is Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. Honey, you just need this in your life. Especially in the winter when we are all wearing like wool hats or whatever, and you know, just to freshen up hairdo. Yes, please. And this is a size that you can fit to your bag. And the next product is Christophe Robin, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's in French, so probably Rubin. Mask Regenerant, so regenerating mask. It's 50 mils, I believe. Like, it looks like 50 mils. Yes, it's 50 mils. I didn't try this brand before, so I'm super curious how it's gonna work, and I can let you know on my Instagram in the future. And let's go deeper. Okay, so we have a little bit of perfume, and this is the Elizabethan Rose de Parfum, and this is 10 mils. Definitely not my scent, but I know someone who would love this, so Christmas stocking it is. And this little guy retails for £18. Next we have another Phillip Kingsley product. This is Bodybuilding Weightless Shampoo. Why Bodybuilding? It volumizes and lifts your hair, and this is a 60ml version. This one is worth around £8. We still have products, and this is Pixi Rose Tonic. Like, we all know Pixi. I have the Glow Tonic and the Collagen one that is running out, so I'm gonna give it a go. 100 mils, yes please. That's very decent. We have more amazing skincare. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, and this is a patented 2-step peel with 5 acids, and inside you have 5 treatments, and it retails for £19, so this is great. Like, I need to try this today. Okay, do we have anything more? We do, and it's 1-1 Skin. Oh my god, I love that brand. Like, I'm obsessed. I've used those eye patches and the whole face and décolletage mask from the Celestial Black Diamond collection on my wedding day, actually, and honestly I look 10 years younger. Obsessed, and I'm happy I have more of this. 1-1 Skin is not a cheap brand. Those eye patches are £12, but honey, next time you're gonna see me, you're not gonna recognize me. You're gonna think, "Ooh, who's that baby? Someone left the baby. Get this baby off the camera." And I think that, no, we still have something. Pink Diamond mask from Rodial. This is a lifting mask, and girl, you know that I need a lot of help in that department. And this is a really good brand with really good products. I haven't tried the Pink Diamond line yet, so my plans for the evening, here they are. Yes, that's everything. So all products are worth over whopping £460. So you are paying for this set £100, and you are getting in return so many amazing products. I think most of it I'm obsessed with, and we have the top of the skincare brands. The only products that I'm like, we'll see, are the Phillip Kingsley and this Eau de Parfum. It's just not my scent, but rest of it, girl, I'm living. If I have to pick my favorites, I'm grabbing, and if I had to pick my favorites, I will go definitely with Dr. Barbaras Serum, Calming Serum, 111 Skin, Celestial Diamond Eye Patches, Rodial Pink Diamond Lifting Mask, Oskia London Eye Wonder Reactive Eye Serum, and this works pillow spray. Honestly, I think the Selfridges did an amazing job with collecting those products, and as you saw, like, most of it is full-size products for this price. Now I'm thinking maybe I should order more and have this for like a Christmas gift, like that would be amazing. And there's also a male version of this. It's called Grooming Kit. So if you like the products or you just want to try luxury skincare, I think this is a great place to start. So go to Selfridges website because I think it's gonna sell out quickly. Okay, I think that it has. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna get this Selfridges Beauty Collection, or maybe you find other amazing bundles or advent calendars. Let me know. I'm always in the hunt to try new products, especially luxury skincare, because honey, years keep on coming and my skin is not having it. And see you on the next one. Bye!